Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change or set language in Snapchat. For that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then tap on Bitmoji or profile icon on your top left corner of the screen to open your profile page. Now tap on gear icon or setting icon in your top right corner to open the settings menu. Then scroll down until you see app language or language. Here you will find a list of available languages. Browse to the list and tap on language that you want. I'll choose Hindi and tap on change. And Google Play will ask you to download additional file from Google Play. Tap on download from Play. Then tap on open. Now let's check either our language is changed to Hindi in Snapchat or not. Open your Snapchat. Now you can see Hindi language on your screen. You can also check it on chats and right over here. And that's all for today. If this video made your day a little easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in next video.